Hi everyone, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you how to make a super quick, easy and delicious chicken fried rice. So it's very important for this dish that you prepare your rice in advance. I boiled 150 grams of basmati rice. That'll give you about 450 grams when it's cooked. It's important to cool it down and leave it for a little while, and the rice needs to be kind of hard for this particular dish. So you can do that in advance. I've heated a tablespoon of sunflower oil here, and I've got 300 grams of chicken breast, which I've diced. You can use chicken thigh either, it'd be lovely. So get that in there. We're going to cook this now for about 4 to 5 minutes. All right, my chicken is ready now, so I'm going to remove it from the pan. Into here I'm just going to add a little more sunflower oil. I've got a carrot here, one medium-sized carrot, and I've diced it. And a teaspoon of fresh ginger. I do freeze and grate my ginger. I'm going to cook this together now for about 2 minutes. This is ready, so I'm going to just push the veg to one side. If you need a little extra oil, you can add it. My pan is fine. I've got 2 medium eggs, so I'm just going to whisk these together. I'm going to add this now to the pan and we're going to let it scramble. You can start to stir it a little to help it scramble. That's looking good. Great, that's perfect. In goes the cooked rice now. If there's any lumps in it, you can break them up when it's on the pan. I'm going to start stirring everything together. And I'm going to add back in the chicken now. To make my sauce, I've got a teaspoon of oyster sauce here. I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of light soy sauce, half a teaspoon of sesame oil, and a 1/4 teaspoon of white pepper. Mix all that together. So get it in there and bring everything together. I'm going to cook this now for about 2 minutes. Beautiful colours in this. I'm going to add 75 grams of frozen peas. If you want to add Beansprouts, you can add them too, and I'll include them out in the recipe. I do find them hard to get. We're going to cook the peas now for about 2 minutes. To finish off, I'm going to add some spring onion, 2 spring onions that I've sliced. Add a nice bit of colour to the chicken fried rice as well. And have a little taste. That's beautiful, absolutely gorgeous. Just going to add a little bit of salt, not too much. Stir everything together, and it's absolutely beautiful. Way better than anything you will get in your local takeaway. So try it out, and please do let me know what you think. I will be making lots more of these recipes over the coming weeks for you all. I know they're very popular. I've had some lovely feedback on my one-pot chicken chow mein as well, and I'll include a link to that in the comments. If you've missed it, you can try it out as well. Give them all a go. I really hope you like them. Thanks so much for watching. Happy baking everyone, and enjoy. And don't forget to like, comment and share. See you soon.